Hi, this is Koibel Naik. Now I am going to share my handwritten notes of the human health and disease of 12th class NCERT. Health. Complete physical, mental and social well-being is called health by WHO, World Health Organization. Health is affected by genetic disorders, infections and lifestyle disease. When one or more organs are not working properly, called disease. Generally, abnormalities in physical and mental health called disease. Pathogen. An infectious agent. Disease is divided into two parts. One is infectious, one is non-infectious. Infectious, we can easily understand that can be spread to others by various means. Non-infectious do not spread easily to others. Disease. Disease may be different types: bacterial, viral, fungal, protozoan and helminth. Bacterial disease, typhoid, Salmonella typhi caused by and spread by contaminated food and water, fecal-oral route, pain, cramps, sustained fever, generally 39 to 40 degrees centigrade, intestine perforation, and test of the typhoid is Widal test, and the Mary Mellon is called the super spreader of the typhoid disease. The bacterial disease is cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae. Spread by contaminated food and water, fecal-oral route, diarrhea. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenza. Droplet infection is the type. Fluid-filled alveoli, fever, chills, cough and headache. Lips and fingernails gray to bluish. Bubonic plague, Black Death, Yersinia pestis, carrier Genopshela, red spots turn to black. Tuberculosis, another disease that is called TB, Koch disease, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causing agent, fever, cough, symptom with blood, BCG vaccine. Leprosy. Leprosy is Hansen's disease, Mycobacterium leprae, light color patches on skin, thickening of nerves, loss of sensation and deforming of toes and fingers. Another bacterial disease is called diphtheria, Corynebacterium diphtheria, grey membrane inside the throat. Vaccine is the DPT vaccine. Tetanus, Clostridium tetani, is also called as lockjaw disease, sustained contraction of voluntary muscle. ATS, anti-tetanus serum given after the injury. Viral disease. First example of viral disease is common cold. By rhinovirus infect nose and respiratory passages but not the lungs. That is the main difference between common cold and pneumonia. Droplet infection is the causing process. Dengue, chikungunya by Aedes mosquito, that is also example of viral disease. Smallpox, which is completely eradicated from the world, which is a matter of happiness now. Chickenpox, measles, rabies. Rabies is 100% fatal, means death is 100% sure. It is hydrophobia is the symptoms spread by dogs. Mumps, infection of parotid gland. Polio, hepatitis B, AIDS. AIDS is caused by HIV virus. Then comes to helminthic disorder, ascariasis. Ascariasis, common roundworm, is the causing agent. Only one host, that is human, spread by contaminated food and water with eggs of ascaris, lives in small intestine, internal bleeding and blockage of intestinal passage. Then comes to filariasis, or that is called elephantiasis, Wuchereria bancrofti and Wuchereria malai, filarial worm, inflammation of organ in lower part of the body due to blockage of lymph vessel. Then comes to fungal disease, that the example is ringworm, Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton, dry, scaly, itchy skin. Protozoan disease. Protozoan disease is the malaria, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is the most dangerous, that is malignant malaria. Malarial parasite have two hosts, one is female Anopheles, other is human. Female Anopheles is the primary host and human is the secondary host. This is the complete life cycle of the malarial causing agent. Then comes to next protozoan disease, that is amoebiasis, also called amoebic dysentery, also called bloody diarrhea, caused by Entamoeba histolytica, food and water contaminated by tetranuclear cyst. A mechanical carrier, which is housefly, lives in large intestine. Tetranucleated cyst. One form is minuta, one form is trophozoite magna. Minuta form doesn't do destruction, only form tetranucleated cyst, which is helpful for its continuation, and trophozoitic and magna form starts to eating tissue of wall of intestine and blood. H. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syndrome means group of symptoms caused by HIV. First case in 1981 killed more than 25 millions of people. Transmission of HIV. Sexual contact with infected person, contaminated blood and blood products, infectious needle, infected matter to child through placenta. AIDS is not spread by touch, physical contact, and just like kisses. Viruses is retrovirus. Retrovirus means having RNA as the genetic material but convert to DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme. It is the viral DNA, viral RNA or DNA, viral genetic material. Time lag between infection and AIDS is 5 to 10 years. HIV attacks T helper cells and macrophages simultaneously. CD4 receptors. Macrophages act as HIV factory. Test is ELISA, and AIDS has no cure, only prevention. NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, and December 1 is the National AIDS Day. More than 1 million Indians suffer from the cancer. Primary stage of cancer is called tumor. Tumor is benign tumor, other is malignant tumor. Benign tumor do not spread, malignant show metastasis, most fearing property. Metastasis means the spreading from diseased cell to healthy cells. Cancer cell lose contact inhibition, increase telomerase activity, proto-oncogenes to oncogenes, metastasis. Cause of cancer, one is physical, chemical and biological. Physical, ionizing rays, non-ionizing rays. Ionizing rays is divided into two parts, X-ray or gamma ray, non-ionizing UV rays. Chemical, tobacco. Biological, oncogen, viruses and viral oncogenes. Cancer detection, biopsy and histopathological studies. Radiography, 2D image with X-ray. Computed tomography, that is 3D X-ray. Antibody and MRI. And MRI is called the safest method for cancer detection. Cancer treatment is one surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, where hair loss and anemia observed, immunotherapy, alpha interferon. Then comes to immunity. Immunity is called ability of host to fight infections. That is divided into two parts, innate immunity and acquired immunity. Innate immunity, non-specific, present from birth. Acquired immunity, pathogen specific, it is memory based. And innate immunity is the barrier, physical barrier, physiological barrier, cellular barrier and cytokinin barrier. Physical barrier, skin mucus. Physiological barrier, HCl in stomach, saliva and tears. Cellular barrier, neutrophils, monocytes and NKC. Cytokinin barrier, virus infected cell secrete interferon. Acquired immunity, pathogen specific, memory based. It is humoral immunity by beta lymphocytes, cell mediated immunity, T lymphocytes. Humoral immunity, beta cells release army of tiny proteins called antibodies. T cell help B cells to produce them. Diagram of an antibody, that is disulfide bridges, heavy chains, light chains, etc. Antibody H2L2. IgA, body fluids mainly found in blood and milk. It is the common question of need, that is in the colostrum which antibody is found, that is IgA. IgG, smallest, crosses placenta, most abundant. IgE, allergic response. IgM, largest. Now IgD also present but there is no data in the NCERT about IgD. Cell-mediated immunity. Cytotoxic T cell kill infected human cells, responsible for graft rejection. It is also comes in need, that is graft rejection is by cell-mediated immunity. Immunity, active immunity, passive immunity. Active immunity, antibody generated inside body. Passive immunity, antibody supplied from outside. Active immunity, natural, that is chickenpox, artificial vaccine. Natural, colostrum, IgA, artificial. Artificial active immunity, first generation vaccine, dead microbes DPT BCG, second generation antigen hepatitis B vaccine in yeast, third generation DNA vaccine. Allergy, exaggerated response of immune system to certain antigen in environment. Ig is the antibody found in allergy, sneezing, watery eyes, runny nose. Histamine and serotonin is produced from mast cell. Cure, antihistamine, adrenaline and steroid. We can cure allergy by these three. Example, asthma, hay fever, anaphylactic shocks. Autoimmunity, due to the genetic or unknown reasons, body attacks self-cell. Example, rheumatoid arthritis, vitiligo, myasthenia gravis, Graves' disease, etc. The system of the body consists of lymphoid organs, tissue cells and antibodies. Primary lymphoid organs, formation and maturation of lymphocytes, divided into two parts. Bone marrow, thymus. Thymus is reduced with age, that is thymus is indirectly proportional with the age. Secondary lymphoid organs, spleens, lymph node, tonsil, Peyer's patches. Spleen is the reservoir for RBC and filter of blood. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, malt. 50% total lymphoid tissue found in lining of respiratory, digestive and urogenital tract. Drug abuse. That is the last topic of this chapter. Opioids, cannabinoids, coca alkaloids, receptor in CNS and gastrointestinal tract, GIT, the receptor in brain. Opioids, papaver somniferum, milk of poppy pods, opium, after surgery, morphine, sedative, azide, painkiller, acetylation of morphine, form diacetyl morphine, heroin or smack, taken by shortening, slows body function, depressant. Cannabinoids, cannabis sativa, marijuana, hashish, ganja, bhang, charas, taken by inhalation and injection of cardiovascular system. Hallucinogens, cocaine, erythroxylum coca, native of Southern America, coke, crack, interfere with dopamine transport, sorted, stimulates CNS and sense of euphoria, increased energy, excess of dosage, hallucinogens. Datura, Atropa belladonna, causes hallucinogens. Barbiturates, used in the mental illness like depression and insomnia. This topic is the smoking, that is tobacco more than 400 years ago old. Nicotine stimulates adrenal, high the blood pressure and heart rate. Emphysema, cancer of lung, throat and urinary bladder. Increases carbon monoxide in blood. Alcohol does liver cirrhosis. Addiction of physiological attachment to certain effects of drugs. Example, euphoria. Dependence, tendency of body to manifest unpleasant withdrawal symptoms. Called as liver cirrhosis. Addiction, physiological attachment to certain effects of drugs. Example, euphoria. Dependence, tendency of body to manifest unpleasant withdrawal syndrome if regular dose of the drug is discontinued. That is the end of this chapter. All the best.